la. It sounds like la la land. It's like ooh la la. It was ooh la la.
So I
Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'll say it 3 times.
yeah, a lot of
Like,
people won't even understand that movie. That is the thing.
yeah, lot of people will be disliking it. When I saw it the first time, I saw it in maybe when I was in my college time, when I was not
It's a
so
movie
used to, when I was so
2016.
used to of movies, not Hindi or English movie, any movies. I saw it because it won Oscar, right?
Yeah.
I was very very curious to know why it got nominated, why it was awarded.
Yeah.
Right? I watched it. I was so bored. Like,
Yeah, and
what
you
is
did
it
not
in this movie?
first time you did not even understand the ending, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I was like, and they are loving each other. I was like, they are loving each other
Love
and they are not
story.
united.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Not a happy ending,
Yeah,
right?
because earlier I used not to be having my own thoughts on principle. I was not that much sorted. I was like very simple. What is this?
Yeah.
What is this? Like that.
I'll tell you, it is a happy ending actually.
Yeah.
If you look at the paradox of the movie, no,
Yeah.
it is a very deep movie, and I would say that it is a perfect movie. There is not a nick left or right. It is exactly where it needs to be. The songs are right there. The dance is right there. The music is right there. The acting is perfect. The direction, cinematography,
Yeah.
the storyline. I think it is perfect.
Yeah.
The way, like, I like movies which shows you the story in a way that you are experiencing that, and that movie does the job perfectly.
Side actors also.
Everyone, like,
Yeah.
I was watching that again yesterday. I saw that even people who gave like 30-second appearance, even they are doing the perfect job over there. So basically it is a love story, right? And then it has a lot of messages, like the person following his passion, the guy played by Ryan Gosling, and obviously Emma Stone is playing the actress,
Yeah.
right? And these people are their own struggling. The guy got ditched by some other musician and fell apart, but he's still trying to open this bar, a pub, which is jazz based.
Yeah.
This is his idea
He
of
wants to rescue dying jazz.
yeah, he's a jazz enthusiast, and he wants to save it because now nobody listens to it. And there are so
Yeah.
many movies saying jazz is dying,
Dying,
jazz is
jazz is
dying.
dying.
Jazz is most popular these days, right?
Yes.
I liked
Because of this, everybody's saying it is dying, it is dying. Same with like brown skin matters, brown skin matters, your dark skin matters.
okay, we are not going to get into that at all because some people will get offended. I don't know, race and all.
No,
Stay away
I'm
from
just
that.
saying now they are getting coverage. I'm happy for that.
Okay, good,
Yeah,
very good. We are happy
I'm
for
on
that.
the positive outlook. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So that is what our principle is, guys. We are never going to talk about politics. We are never going to talk about religion, man. Stay the goddamn freaking away
No,
from
I was
that
saying
thing.
positive things.
Yeah.
It is good until unless you are saying positive
Yeah.
things. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was saying that there are messages over there, right? So when the guy is losing hope, then the girl comes and reminds him exactly what he used to say.
Yeah.
So he signed a contract to be a part of this band.
Yeah.
And then she asks him that, do you like the music? And the guy says that, do you like the music? And the girl says that, yeah, I like the music. But do you like the music?
Yeah.
And he says that, nah. So she asked him that you want to be part of a band with a guy who you hated, who has already ditched you before. And then you want to play music for a year or more than that, which you don't even like. What kind of life is that? So
Yeah.
at that point, she was reminding him of what his principles was. And fast forward, I think 30 minutes later, she quits acting completely. Like, she's tired of getting rejected. It's like 6 years or so,
Yeah.
continuously rejected. Nobody cares. She thinks that other girls are younger and prettier.
I can relate.
Yeah. And she says, audition after audition, I'm tired. Like, I'm dedicated. I was dedicated once. I knew that this is what I wanted to do, but I can't take it anymore. These are very tormenting and like stabs to my guts, and I can't take it anymore. She goes back home and maybe continue her education or something. And this dude gets a call from some audition person, casting team, I think.
Yeah.
Casting
The
director.
play. Like, she went to a play.
Yeah.
She organized a play in which she was a
Solo
lead.
play.
Yeah.
It was a solo play. Yeah.
And hardly
6-7 people.
6-7 people were there. And she went back home after that, frustrated that nobody appeared, and completely left left the acting field.
She left Los Angeles.
Yeah. She went back to her parents. But then, like, the moment the guy, what was the name of guy?
Then the guy,
Ryan
Gosling.
the character name.
Sebastian.
Yeah, Sebastian.
Yeah.
So what he does, like, he got a call from the director. One casting director was there in that play.
One of the
and-
biggest casting
Yeah,
directors.
yeah.
So the casting director basically said that we cannot reach Emma Stone. Let us just call her that. We cannot reach her, and can you talk to her? He says
no.
he says that no, we don't talk anymore. Right. And then he tells, I think it was a girl. She tells the casting director.
Girl was there.
Tells her name, and he's like, oh, I need to inform her. So what he does, he immediately goes to her home, and this girl is like, I can't do it anymore. He's like, what do you mean by that? Start making some goddamn sense. Otherwise, I'm going to keep on shouting.
I can still remember the scene.
Yeah.
It was like, whoa, what do you mean by that?
What? Like, it was amazing acting by his part. Emma Stone, by the way, won Oscar for her acting.
Wonderful acting.
But the guy's acting, I liked it much more. He is a trained professional, man. I watched this movie, Big Shot, and it is basically on 2008 recession, and those people who betted against the economy, who made millions and billions. He's a part of that. And goddamn, the way he pitched an idea of how the economy is going to crash before it actually did,
Yeah.
that was freaking fantastic. That hooked me to that movie. And that movie is also like the direction that every now and then they are going to bring big celebrities. That what's her name? The girl, Harley Quinn. Her actual name.
Margot Robbie.
Yeah, Margot Robbie. All of a sudden, Margot Robbie is in a bathtub, and she says that, I know this is all getting very financial and technical. I know you don't understand. I don't understand it either, but this is how you can understand as a layman person.
Yeah.
She explains, and after that, some big chef comes, and I don't know. I know that you are not able to understand this. Here's the explanation in a simple manner, like that.
Yeah.
So that movie is like super boring. Nobody understands the finance properly, but they kept and managed to hook at least me up over there. So in that movie also, this dude does fantastic acting.
Yeah.
Right? Very good movie at the end. And the ending, what do you think about the ending? What happened in the last segment?
Yeah, they chose to pursue their dreams, and they didn't give up on them. And in the ending, they rather gave another ending also, like
Alternate
what could have been the possibility if you would not have chosen this, right?
Yeah.
So that
So basically, for people who don't know what actually happened, is that the girl actually gets selection in that audition that the guy came and told her about. That was the last thing that she did, probably the audition that she would have to give. And she got one of the biggest roles. The movie was to be shot in Paris, and she has to move. And they said that we can't do it anymore. The guy had already signed a contract with the band, so he has to be on the road as well, as if they can't maintain long distance relationship. I do not know what goes in the States, but that is what they did. They broke up.
Yeah.
And then the girl is very successful. Comes to the same coffee shop.
Very successful.
Comes to the same coffee shop where she used to work as a barista.
No, she and her husband.
Yeah, she got married with someone else.
Heard some jazz music playing.
Yeah, before
so
that.
they entered the shop. They
Yeah.
entered that club or bar, whatever it is.
Yes.
And when they entered,
Yes.
that girl saw Sebastian over there, and she
she-
got surprised and happy.
She saw the exact name that she suggested
Yeah.
for the guy's
Yes.
club thing.
Sebs.
Yeah. What was it?
Sebs.
Yeah, Sebs.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sebs with this apostrophe turned as a musical sign.
Yeah.
So that's what she saw, and she was sitting with his current husband, and she had a kid also. And then what Sebastian did is play his classical tune,
Yeah.
right? And I saw it in the comment section. YouTube comment section is the best. The most authentic information, I get it over there, right? So it was written over there that Sebastian was actually tormented
Imagining.
at that point, because he knew that playing this tune means the end of everything between those two people.
Yeah.
Finally, officially ending it with that music. And in that music, they showed that what would have happened if Sebastian would have given up on his dream and completely went to Paris, let us say, to support the dream of, I think her name was Amy, I don't remember,
Yeah.
to support her dream. And then he saw that at that point, if that would have happened, then he would not be standing and running the show over there, but would be sitting beside that girl and being an audience over there. But the thing is that he would have been happy. So there's a paradox over here that not following your dream might also make you happy, and following your dream might also leave you tormented. But the thing is
but if you love each other so much, and if you're very passionate enough, you can make it. Does not matter where you are. Even if he has gone to Paris with her, I'm pretty sure he was that much passionate. He could have pursued it over there and excelled it in a very good manner.
you have to find a middle ground for that. You'll have to find ways out.
You should have talent, guys. You should have talent. Everything else is myth.
It's not like talent is a term which is very vaguely used and very less understood.
I'm just saying that you got the term talent. In what terms I'm using it?
I will say skill is a better
Passion
term.
or skill.
Skill or talent in the field that you want to be skilled is a better term.